Hello everyone, it's another day at Varanasi and we are going to go boating right now. Let's see if we can find boat because it was raining last night. So I'm not sure about that, but let's see. The weather outside seems alright so far. It's a bit cloudy though.
बहादुर जब नाम सुनावे नाथे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे
Bye bye.
Hi. Kakak ikut tuh.
Behind me is the Manikarnika Ghat. So right now we are in the middle of the Ganga river. As you can see, we came here at 7 a.m. and that's why we got the single occupancy boat. I am only with my family here, so just 4 people, and it costed around 50 rupees per head. And we came here early in the morning. We were the first customers, so we got a really cheap deal. So if you are visiting Banaras, you can try this one. This is Narad Ghat and this is Raja Ghat, a very historical place. It's beautiful. Each and every ghat has its own personality. And here we are at the Pandey Ghat. And this is Lucy's cafe. There is a dog named Lucy and this cafe is named after her. So cute. We got down at the Pandey Ghat and now we are going to a sari shop. Our boatman told us that we can get very cheap Banarasi sari here. So let's see. So this is where we came to buy, but no one was available. Like the person who sells the sari was not here. So we are going back to our boat. Digpatia Ghat. The building is so beautiful. So we are done with our boating, and I got this done at the ghat. You can do it, like there are many people who do this at the ghat. And now we are heading to our hotel, and see you guys in the next video because it's going to be a very long one.
If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.